Hey guys, another Sunday lovely from the lovely MC DJ Gelt MC to the lovely niggas, right? We are the all uptown people, right? Another time, my people, as usual, work hard pays. Even if you undergo a tough way, niggas, but the only tough way is the only way, my niggas, right? And sometimes we skanky to be crazy and not to be lazy at work, my niggas. And the lovely MC DJ writing, I do you work Popolipo Gelt MC as usual. Thinking about my lovely people outside there, my real blood brother from another mother, the first ladies over there, right? Another welcome to large Sunday. Love you as usual. God be with you. Call me a one and only supernatural handsome with a magical voice inside, Gelt MC, right? Big up large. Love you all.